What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you or will be discussing with you how to add a car key to Google Wallet. So if you want to add a car key to your Google Wallet here, well, the direct answer to that is yes, it's possible, but it may not work on your device or in some devices here. Like for example, if you have a Samsung device, this may not work. So you may need to see if this steps or the steps that I'll be showing you works for you. But then again, not all phones may support this. So yeah, so digital car key support is offered by several major brands like BMW, Hyundai, Kia, Genesis, Honda, Toyota, and a lot more. But here's the catch here, even within those brands, it's not every model. So your car's year, trim, and tech package matter. So it's worth checking your manufacturer's compatibility list first before trying anything here. But yeah, so if your car does support or does qualify to this, well, there are usually two ways to get the key set up. So first is if your car maker sends you a digital key setup email, you want to open it directly on the Pixel or other supported Android phone. Now, you'll see an option to add it straight to your device. Just follow the prompts and you're done. Now, if you don't get an email, you can initiate pairing directly from inside the car. So you can go to your car's dashboard settings, look for the digital key or key setup section, and follow the instructions there. Now, typically, this involves placing your phone on your car's NFC reader pad, so entering the pairing pin and waiting for the connection to complete. But yeah, so once pairing is done here, you can your car key will appear in Google Wallet just like a boarding pass or payment card here. Now from then on, you can just simply hold your phone near your car sensor to lock, unlock, or even start the engine, depending on your car's features. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.